Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 5th October. Let's start. In the year of 1793, on this day, Christianity was displaced in France during the French Revolution. In the year of 1796, on this day, Spain declared war on England. In the year of 1805, on this day, the second Governor General of British Raj in India, Commander-in-Chief Lord Cornwallis, died in Gazipur. In the year of 1864, on this day, Louis Jean Lumiere, who patented the cinematographer, was born. In the year of 1902, on this day, Ray Kroc, who turned McDonald's into the world's most successful food operation, was born. In the year of 1915, on this day, Bulgaria participated in the First World War. In the year of 1946, on this day, the first Cannes Film Festival concluded. In the year of 1948, on this day, an earthquake killed 1,10,000 people in Ashgabat, the capital of Turkmenistan. In the year of 1988, on this day, the constitution approved by the Constituent Assembly of Brazil. In the year of 1989, on this day, Mira Sai Fatima Bibi became the first woman judge of the Supreme Court. He assumed his office from 6 October 1989. In the year of 1991, on this day, Ramnath Goenka, the founder of the Indian Express Group and considered a pillar of journalism of the country, passed away. He is considered a vocal advocate of press freedom. In the year of 1999, on this day, India decided not to attend the special meeting on the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty (CTBT). In the year of 2010, on this day, injured Indian cricket batsman VVS Laxman became the hero of the match, scoring 73 and remained not out as the home team chased down to 16 runs to beat Australia by one wicket in the first test at Mohali. In the year of 2011, on this day, Steve Jobs, the former chief executive and co-founder of Apple, died at the age of 56. In the year of 2011, on this day, Akash, the world's cheapest tablet PC priced at Rs 2,250, was launched in India. In the year of 2015, on this day, Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded to William C. Campbell, Satoshi Omura for round worm disease, and Yo-Yo Tu on the malaria disease. In the year of 2015, on this day, California Governor Jerry Brown signed a bill giving sick patients a right to die. In the year of 2017, on this day, the Catalan parliament suspended by the Spanish Constitutional Court for blocking the Declaration of Independence. In the year of 2019, on this day, Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte revealed that he has a neuromuscular disease, myasthenia gravis, which causes him several health problems. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO successfully test-fired the supersonic missile-assisted release of Torpedo Smart weapon system from Wheeler Island of the Odisha coast. In the year of 2020, on this day, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal launched an anti-air pollution campaign against Yuddh Pradhan in the national capital. Different schemes for 13 pollution hotspots were listed in the campaign. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Nobel Assembly at the Karolinska Institute in Stockholm, Sweden announced that the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine has been jointly awarded to Harvey J. Alter, Charles M. Rice, and Michael Houghton for their discovery of the hepatitis C virus. In the year of 2020, on this day, Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh addressed a webinar on the occasion of the World Habitat Day 2020 in New Delhi. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development adopted by the member states of the United Nations is a guiding document for a planet and a people. In the year of 2020, on this day, Haryana government has opened registration on Meri Fasal Mera Byora portal for paddy procurement for farmers from outside the state. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.